name is Teacher Chris, and today we are going to talk about the earth. Now, if we have a cake and we take a knife and cut through the cake, what would we see? We would see layers, different layers. Now, the same with the earth. If we cut through the earth, what do you think we would see? Let's find out. So, just like a cake, the earth has different layers. Now today, we will look at the layers of the earth. First layer is the inner core. Layer number 2 is the outer core. Number 3, the mantle. Number 4, the crust. And they are all inside the earth. Now, let's have a closer look at each layer. First, we have the crust. The crust is the first layer of the earth. The crust is a very thin layer. We live on the crust. The mantle. The mantle is the second layer. The mantle is a very thick layer. The mantle is made of very hot rocks. The outer core. The outer core is the third layer of the earth. It is made of molten metals such as iron. The outer core is liquid. So as you can see, it is so hot that it would melt metals such as iron. The inner core. The inner core is the last layer of the earth. The inner core is very hot. The inner core is about as hot as the surface of the sun. First, we have the crust. The crust is very thin. The mantle. The mantle is very thick. The mantle is made of very hot rocks. The outer core. The outer core is a liquid. The inner core. The inner core is solid. And the inner core is about as hot as the surface of the sun. Now, let's look at a poem that will help you remember the layers of the earth. So, layers, layers, like a cake. The earth has layers, it's no mistake. First the crust, hard, hard stone. The mantle next, a very hot stone. The outer core, then one more. The hottest part, the inner core. Layers, layers, yes, there are 4, from the crust to the core. Okay, so for today's activity, I want you to make a little booklet about the layers of the earth. So, let's look at my booklet. First, we have the crust. Next, we have the mantle. The next layer is the outer core, and the last layer is the inner core. So, I would love to see your booklets. So please ask your teacher to upload photos of your booklets or photos of you making your booklets. Now, my booklet is very simple. I know you can make booklets that looks a lot better than mine. So I really hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I will see you again next time. Goodbye.